What's going on, guys? Today I'm at the Mount Rushmore National Memorial in South Dakota in Black Hill National Forest. We're walking up to it now. We just parked. I'm with Cody.
What's up?
And yeah, I'm gonna take you guys along to go see it. It's a beautiful day out. Check this out. Bright blue sky. You can see the forest in the background on all the mountainous area. There it is, guys. Wow. We're getting closer, guys. Look, they got a Rushmore workers from 1927 to 1941. That's a lot of workers. Wow. There's the man himself, Gutzon Borglum. He's the man that actually had it. I guess he had the idea behind it. He's the one that actually got the workers together and got it all started. Fresh squeezed lemonade. I might buy some of that. We got our lemonades. Freshly squeezed. I saw that. Very good lemonade.
Want a lemonade, baby?
Now we're gonna walk closer to the monument. Check out all the flags.
Arizona, Arkansas, okay.
One for each state.
Yeah, it looks like it. Where's Indiana?
There it is, guys. You got George Washington, Thomas Jefferson, Teddy Roosevelt, and Abraham Lincoln. Look at that. You can go all the way down there. Neat. All right, I'm gonna end it here and pick up later. All right, guys, we are in the gift shop here at Mount Rushmore Memorial, and masks are required. They provide them. Yeah, they provide them at the door. It's a federal building. Here's what it looks like. Yeah, I'm paying. You got all kind of goodies. Stuffed animals. Bears. Oh wow, it's even bigger than I thought.
Found her again. That kid.
It opens up this way as well. Wow, we got knives here. Engraved with Mount Rushmore. That is. I can't see the price on that one. I guess 52. Oh wait, I don't know. Watches. All kind of jewelry. So here's a map of South Dakota. We drove all across this today. Now we're here. This highway right here, I-90, straight shot west. That's what I drove today. Took about 7 hours to get here.
Handcrafted wise, yeah. I like that one. I like that small one back there.
This is cool. Flags for every state and territory of the U.S. Good old Indiana, Cody. All right, guys. Well, that's the gift shop. I'll pick the vlog up here in a bit. Well, guys, that was Mount Rushmore National Memorial. It was so crazy to see it in person. You know, growing up, I've seen it in pictures countless times, but seeing it in person it hit different. I highly recommend for anybody that's interested to come and visit it. It's really cool to see in person. But I'm gonna end the vlog here. We're gonna get back on the road and drive to Wyoming. So if you guys enjoyed the video, hit that like button. If you want to see more content like this in the future, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.